Hello everyone. We are doing a milk jug tutorial and I'm early, but that's okay. I'm going to share this event or this live to the group. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think it did it. If you're here, let me know. I totally missed the window. Hey, Michelle, ho, ho, ho. I totally missed the opportunity to tag people. So if you're here, please tag someone. Let's see, maybe I can tag people here like I do normally. Tag in. Michelle's here. Thank you, Michelle, for tagging our friends. Hey, Barb, we're just tagging people, letting them know we're live. Hey, Jen. Hey, Sheila. We are tagging our people, and we're going to get going here. Don't know who else here that I can tag. I think I tagged everybody. Let's see. I know I didn't tag Rhonda. Oops, it didn't let me tag her. There she is. Who else? I think that's it. Okay, guys, so I wanted to show you, if you're part of the exclusive club, I got the tray mold, and look at. I'm going to add the top coat tonight, but look at how gorgeous this is. My first on-time Katie video. Woohoo! I did come on a little early, but you guys, look at this. I'm going to add the top coat tonight, but look at these 3 trays. I'm obsessed. If you're part of the exclusive club, you might have gotten this tray mold. If not, you need to join the exclusive club. All right, so we are going to be doing the milk jug. I painted it white. And the colors I'm going to use, thanks Barb, thanks Michelle, is Mrs. Claus. It's a red, fine glitter. A green giant, it's green, fine glitter. And then the chunky green, rosemary. And then the chunky green, chunky red Cupid Shuffle. And then a mix of both Cupid Shuffle and rosemary that I made. And we're going to do a swirl. I was going to use UV resin, but I think I'm just going to Mod Podge it. I think so. Should we wait a little bit? You guys, look at, I need to seal this up. This is on my list tonight to do too. Seal up my snow globes. I have so much to do, but you know what? Also, I kind of want to take tonight off. I finally got all my Christmas orders out. I have a few that I have to do tomorrow, but that's okay. I just want to make sure that I get everyone's. I just need a night. You know, doesn't anyone just need a night? All right, so I'm going to do Mod Podge. And let me get a paintbrush right here. Okay. Has anyone used the milk jug before? Also, look at my minute to win it cup, you guys. The one, like, this is when I didn't follow the instructions. I can't decide if I want to keep it like this. I think I'm going to. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me. That's my Dolly Parton. So this is when I took my time. Okay. And this is for my minute. In 1 minute, this is how many I did. 22 or something like that. So, make sure you follow the rules. I didn't even follow the rules to my own contest. That's okay. This is still wet. I wasn't planning on going live early. Sheila, not yet. I know the comments are so delayed. Are you saying not yet about the milk jug? Because you need to get these milk jugs. You guys, get them tonight. Use the code WildHeartShop. These are so fun, and you don't even have to do, like, for Valentine's Day, these would be really cute for men. You could do, like, wood grain, and, you know, they could, I don't know, put their beer in it or whatever. But these are so fun. They're just, like, a different type of cup. Like, I never see anyone with a milk jug type of cup. So, they're really fun. All right, I'm going to turn you guys down. Yeah, I haven't used them. You need to. Okay. Let me pull it up on my phone so I can see the comments, because when it's turned down, I cannot see the comments. Okay. There we go. I'm going to put this right here so I see it. All right. So, I do my swirls with Mod Podge. And I just have my Mod Podge in these squeeze bottles. And then I just brush it on. Yeah, my paint's not dry yet all the way. That's okay, though. As long as we have a good base, that's all that matters. Somewhat of a base. And then I'm going to get up here. Let me add some more. My daughter had an awards ceremony tonight. It's been a crazy day today. Busy. That's why I said I might just go sit on the couch. I haven't even had dinner yet. Your girl is pooped. I think I'm going to do drips on this. I don't know yet. All right. So, hey, Jessica. All right, so I'm going to do them alternating. So I'm going to start with the fine glitter. So this is Green Giant again. And I just start here. And then I slowly turn while I pour the glitter. How does everyone else do their swirls? Do you guys do your swirls like this? And then I try and kind of add a little bit to kind of ombre it. Sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, it's because I'm out of glitter. But we're adding a chunky neck, so it's okay. Yes. Yes, yes. So you've done a swirl. Do you do it this way? Is there a different way you do it? All right, next I'm going to use rosemary. It's a chunky green. How pretty rosemary is. Hello, Sheila. All right, and then to kind of ease the transition between this and the red, so it's not such a harsh transition, like I said, I made a mix of rosemary and Cupid Shuffle. Got my new designer box. Woohoo! All right, so this is a mix I made. It is Cupid Shuffle and rosemary mixed together. And this is going to help with our transition from green to red. Since the two colors are not really that complementary, it'll kind of help. Look at how cute it is so far. Obsessed. Oh, Katie, LOL, was just saying hello to Jessica. Oh. See, I'm just looking. I'm just reading the comments. Sorry. All All right. Next up, I'm going to use the fine red, which is Mrs. Claus. And then I'm just kind of adding just a little bit here. Make it so it's not such a harsh line. And then the last color is Cupid Shuffle. And since there's not much Mod Podge left, I'm just pouring it on. It's okay that there's not a lot used because you know what? I will probably sprinkle more on, and we'll do the bottom so you guys don't come at me about the bottom of my cup. There you go. So look at how cute that is. Seen Mrs. Claus on another video too. That's a hot color. Yes, it is. Hope everyone is doing well. We all had a long day. Yes, me too. Took me 2 hours to get the boys to bed. Oh, Lord. Look at what we've got. Look at that. Christmas on a cup. So this is the milk jug. Mrs. Claus is the red. Green Giant is the green. Then the chunky green is rosemary. And the chunky red is Cupid Shuffle. So cute. And sometimes I go in and I do add swirls like with alcohol ink or mica, but honestly, it just depends on what the swirl looks like. And the swirl looks really good that I might not do that because I want to make sure that everyone sees the glitter. When you add too much mica, it doesn't, it'll get covered up, the glitter. And I really like this glitter application. What do you guys think? So cute. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, Michelle. So quick and easy, fun cup to do. We used 4 glitters, but we mixed the 2 to make 5. A swirl. Does anyone have any questions, comments, concerns about a swirl? Do you guys want to see my tray molds from last night in the exclusive club? I did a tutorial, and let me tell you, I know some of you that were on in the beginning saw these, but these trays, oh my goodness gracious, oh me, oh my. I'm adding the top layer right after I get off, but look at this. Here we go. Look at this. This is as big as my head. But look at how pretty that is. Sorry, my ring light is making a big ring around it, but look at that. Oh my gosh. That's the biggest tray. Here's the middle tray. And then here is the top tray. So I'm pouring the top layer on. This one doesn't really need any more, but I'm gonna just add a little bit to it. Stunning, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm gonna add the top layer because my table, this table is a little uneven. So I'm gonna add it up here on my next level up here. And then tomorrow I will unmold it and I'll take a picture and I'll post it because, ooh-wee. I also have my snow globe I sealed up with Atlantis from the other night. Look at this. If the glitter comes out. Come on, glitter. Come on, people now. Shine on the moon. Hold on, I just want to shake it up and then I'm going to put the lid on and show you guys. This is the problem with my slow flow. You really got to work it. look at. You see, Atlantis makes slow flow. I feel like sometimes it works better when you move it up and down. Because your bubble moves the glitter. Your bubble is really going now. Here we go. This is working. It's getting the glitter moving. That's why I like to put these on my turner. But I haven't turned a cup in a while. So look at, so that was our idea of the ice cream cone. And look at this. This is the dome lid. Look at how cute that is. I gotta glue the ears on. But how cute is our ice cream cone cup? Oh my gosh. So cute. We used Puzzles chocolate chips, the sprinkle mix, a cherry, a lollipop, and then I have Oreos that I've got to stick back on. So cute. Thank you, Jessica. So, does anyone have any questions about anything that I've shown you? Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Jenny. I could watch these all day. So see how I'm turning it like this? If I could show, if it would move, the bubble is right here. So when it's on your turner, the reason why I put these on my turner is because the bubble will get underneath where all the glitter is at the bottom and moves the glitter because it's all compacted down there. So the bubble helps it like get loose. Get loose. Loose from your goose. So see how it's moving all the glitter. I've got a big chunk of glitter right here. I can see it. You could literally do this all day, you guys. We're really moving glitter here. Look at how pretty this is. My hubby just called and maybe missed the last so many minutes of this live. Ugh! I hate those husbands. And freezing up. Oh no. Look at how pretty that is. So this is Atlantis, my favorite gold. So pretty. Do you want me to show you the cup, Sheila? Here's the cup again. Quick and easy, fast live, you guys. You know I love a good fast live because I know you guys don't have time and it's late. It's really late. Well, it's 8:30 for me. Not that late. I know it's late where you guys are. But here you go. Isn't that cute? Okay. I'm trying to think, is there anything else I can show you guys? But I don't have much to show you. Does anyone have any questions or anything? My hair is so crazy, you guys. Remember when I had it half one color? That's what this is growing out as. It's crazy. Okay, well, next week I'll be live in the exclusive club on Sunday. And Wednesday I'll be doing car scents, I believe. And we have some good molds for car scents. We've got Christmas tree cake and a jingle ball, which I'm going to use using tissue paper. So I'll see you guys next week, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.